Hello everyone. So today's topic is write a C program to search the element from an array. Means here in this program, first of all, we are going to store some values in an array. Okay, and then we are going to ask user that enter the number which you want to search. If that number is there in that array, then it will display that number is found, or else number is not found. Okay, so let's go ahead. Hash include stdio.h and hash include conio.h, that is the two header files which we are using, okay, for this program. Then void main function and some variable declaration. Okay, so here we require array variable, so for that a of 10. Then we require one for loop, that is I variable, so for that I. Then initially we are going to ask user that how many numbers you want to enter. For that we will require one variable n. And for searching purpose, like when we will ask user that enter the number which you want to search, that time user will enter one number, so that time also we will require one variable. So for that we are using s. And then found, for just for checking purpose, if number is found, then we will use this variable for flag purpose, like this will be equal to 1 or something like that, so that I will tell you afterwards. Now first of all, printf and scanf, that is enter the size of an array, which means here we are asking user that you enter the size, how many numbers you want to enter. So let's say for example user will say I want to enter 5 numbers. Okay, so I'm writing here 5 numbers for example only purpose. Okay, okay, so now here printf statement is there, that enter the elements in an array, which means now you have to enter the elements one by one in an array. So for I equal to 0, I less than n, and as I said n is what, 5. So 5 times inside the for loop, but starting from 0 indicates what, 0 1 2 3 and 4, total is 5. So let's say for example 5 different numbers like 10 first time, then second time 20, then 30, then 40, and then 50 for example. Okay, like if I enter 5 numbers 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. Now we are asking user that you now enter one number that you want to search. So for example, let's say I want to search number 40. Okay, let's say for example what I want to search number what, 40. Okay, now initially we are writing found equal to 0, means initially we are assigning one value to that variable found, it is equal to what, 0. Okay, that is initial value. Okay, now the logic part, for I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, I plus plus. Okay, so if a of I, what is I, 0. So if a of 0 is equal to s, means number you want to search. Okay, so a of 0 means what, at a of 0 which numbers are there, these numbers, 10 is there because the first number is what, this is a of 0. Okay, first one. Then a of 1, a of 2, a of 3, a of 4. Okay, so 10 equal to our search number 40. Obviously condition is false, so no need to go inside of this if statement. Correct? Okay, that means the next bracket, closing bracket, indicates what, I plus plus. So now I equal to what, 1. 1 less than 5. Condition true, we know. Now a of 1, so 20 equal to 40. Again condition false. Again I plus plus. 2 less than 5. So here the value is what, 30 equal to 40. Again condition false. Again I plus plus. Okay, so now value of I is what, 3. So 3 less than 5. Again condition true inside of for loop. Now a of 3, at a of 3 we have 40. So 40 equal to 40. Yes, now the condition is what, true. So now value of found change to 1 instead of what, 0. And then what is the meaning of break? Directly you come out from this for loop part, so it will jump here at this point. And if the value of found is equal to 1, then we can say that number is found and also at which position. Else if value of found is not 1, then we can say number is what? Not found. Okay, so here is the sample output. If we execute the same program two times, okay, so first time enter the size of an array, so 5, enter the numbers like 10, 20, 30, 40, enter the number you want to search, for example 40, and 40 is found at position number what? 4. And second time, like one more execution also I will show you, like one more time if I run same program, enter the size of an array, for example 5, enter the elements, for example 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. Again, if here I enter the element you want to search, what I am entering right now is 80. So obviously we know 80 is not in this array list, so it will print the message like 80 is not found in the what? Array. So it is just a simple program just to search the element in the array. So thank you all.